Okay, just a minute. I will share my screen first. Okay, so my screen is visible. Okay, confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last class we already done how to make a line chart and table and matrix. So before starting a new thing, so let one more explain how to create table and matrix. Just a short a minute. So I already did it last week. How to create table and how to create matrix and a difference between table and matrix. Okay, I already discussed about it, so we all know these things. Okay, and last things we discussed basically what is discrete and what is continuous. So I already said this according to this particular line charts, how what is the discrete and what is the continuous, and how to operate drill up, uh, drill down, and next is hierarchy. Okay, so this thing already done. So next thing, how to create hierarchy into the matrix. Okay, so next thing is how to create hierarchy into the matrix. So first, I will take a new canvas. Okay, uh, just a minute, and next go to the matrix. Okay, so I already said hierarchy is the basically a change change system like parent child combination. Okay, so basically this is the chain thing. So how to implement hierarchy into the matrix? So first, so if I want to create a hierarchy like this type, so category, subcategory, and product. Okay, so category is the first step, second step is subcategory, and third one is product. So these three things include into the hierarchy. So first, what should I do? So if I create any hierarchy into the matrix format or table format, so if you choose any table, so you can't create any hierarchy over here. Okay, so if you create a hierarchy like a table, so you always choose matrix over here first. So first you just drag category into the row section. Similar, I chose market into the column section and select quantity into the values option. So this is the normal matrix. So if I now want to create hierarchy, and my next step is drag subcategory into the row section. Okay, so what is different between this particular matrix and normal matrix? This is matrix called hierarchy matrix. Okay, but normal matrix is, if I go to the previous slide, so what happened here? I just select subcategory over here. If I drag subcategory, if I drag subcategory into this particular hierarchy slide, so what happened? The new thing is here, which is a plus sign. If you notice in your canvas, beside your category, a new icon will appear, which is plus sign. Okay, so this is the plus sign. If you click on this plus sign, you can see your next level of hierarchy. So now you can see these four things is include this furniture. Okay, next click on office. These particular things are include in office supplies. And third one, if you click on technology, then you can see these four and five things is including into the technology. If I want to add more things over here, so I just drag and select the proper field over here. So now if I clicking, so this is expand and collapse method. So this is also the hierarchy into the matrix session. If you want to display your table like this format, you can use hierarchy option. Okay, so if you want to do hierarchy into your table, this is not available here. Okay, why? If you want to drag category over here, so now you can see one more additional column will be appear, but I don't want to doing this type of table. I want include and exclude method or expand or collapse method. So that's why I choose matrix. Okay, so just I increase the values. So if you see better, so this is your hierarchy with matrix. Okay, so first of all, do these things in your canvas. If any question, any difficulties, ask me. Okay, you can chat or Okay, so I hope everyone understood how to use hierarchy into the matrix. Okay, so anyone, any question, any doubt? Okay, so we will jump into our next topic. Okay, so first we will do in our next topic, but before we create some tables over here. Okay, just a minute. I will share the screen. Okay, okay. So first, do it in your Excel workbook. Okay, first do it and save into the table. And next, I will tell you what should I do. Okay, so first do it in your Excel file. If it is done, knock me. Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, if everyone done, first just get the new data into your Power BI field. Okay, so you already know how to get the data. So first save this file and get this data into your Power BI file. Okay, so do it. Okay, so I already get the data. So what we do here first, so we create area chart here. Okay, so what is area chart? Basically area chart is extended part of line chart. Okay, so first I do it and then I explain. So first write area chart. Oh, sorry, sir. So anyone tell me when we use area chart? Anyone?
Sir, to show the profit for a particular geographical region or a particular area.
No. If I show any profit related to geographical area, we use map chart. Why we use area chart? Okay. So if you see the table, so table is related to country profit and sales, but it is not appropriate to always related to these particular things. Okay. So basically, anyone others tell anything about area chart when we use area chart? If you do line chart, I think you will explain something. If you
So, to
understood
see the
when we
market
use the
price
line chart.
range, stock market.
Yes. So nearest, but not appropriate. The first thing is we all are remember, because we already done the line chart. So if I explain anything regarding across the year, all the year, some years, and display their trend, so we all use the line chart over here. But if we compare any uh, particular tenure, okay, so we use area chart over there.
We want to repeat it,
So
sir.
if you want to compare any data, okay, so what we already discussed, okay, if I want to see any trend related to across the year, all the years, some particular years or tenure, we use line chart, okay, simple line chart. So this is the thing. First, if I display my sales trend, okay, according to this year 2012, 13, 14, 15, it may be monthly, it may be quarterly, okay, if maybe yearly, whatever you have. So now I want to compare, okay. So what is this first? So first I just take the area chart and let's see what happened here. So first I drag country into the x-axis. So here I want to know country wise yearly sales comparison. Okay, so I choose country into the x-axis. Now I drag 2020 into the y-axis. So now you can see this is your trend. If I change over here, just a minute. So I want to add data level, similar series level, change the value, bold, 13, and mark the color first and go to the x-axis, select bold and 15. Okay, so now what I actually see over here, first explain it. Okay, go to the series level, mhm, go to the value. Okay, so basically, so I have some countries over here. So it's Germany, France, UK, Canada, and USA. So if I off the shade area, now you can see this is a basically simple line chart. Okay, understood. So basically, area chart is the extended part of line chart. Okay, so this is the simple line chart. If I close the s- shade area, if I on it, so this is the particular area. If Germany in 2022 sells this, France this, UK this, Canada this, and USA this. So your trend is this particular area related. Okay, now I want to compare this particular 2022 with 21. So what should I do? So basically I just drag 2021 into the secondary y-axis. So we don't need to any more axis over here. We already use x-axis and y-axis. So if I introduce one more axis, it is not a proper appropriate way. So this is the option. This is option available already over here, which is secondary y-axis. So if I drag 2021 into the y-axis, now you can see now this particular chart is show your trend over the 2 years into the country wise. So I just change the color. Some color is are same. So I just change the 2021 mm, and just color is this one. Okay. So now you can understood better. So if I click on this 2022, now your trend would be this one. If I click on this 2021, now your trend would be this one. Okay. So this is the factor. So if I look into here in Germany 2022, this particular range which is 3977 in 2021 it is down and 234. So this is your particular area. So this is the basically look like a Himalayan range, peaks and valleys. So if I want to see any Himalayan, okay, and if I compare, okay, between two ranges, so I just saw their peaks and valleys. Okay, so this particular area is 2022 is greater than in 2021, and in France 2022 and 21 mostly same. Okay, similar in UK, this particular area, similar in Canada and US is mostly same. So basically, if I want to compare my trend between 2 years related to country in any other things, okay, so we use area chart over here. Okay, so first do it in your canvas. If any problem, ask me. Okay, so first do it. So everyone done? Any
So,
question
from where I can change the color?
where you can change the color? So simple. First, click in your canvas. Go to format your visual. Okay, and this is the option which is line. Click on line and apply settings to series. So here two option available. Okay, so if you click all, so you can tick both. If you choose one of these, so according to your requirement, you just click on 2022 and 21. Okay, and if you choose one of them, then go to the color and choose your color. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so anyone, any another question regarding area chart, line chart, hierarchy, table and matrix? Okay, so done. Okay, so Okay, so next we'll learn how to create scatter plot chart. Okay, so anyone tell me when we use the scatter plot chart and what is the scatter plot chart?
So it helps in identifying the pattern for any data.
No, it's not a correct. Anyone else? You see any scatter plot chart and how to it's look like?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first, so in the scatter plot, basically, mm previously I already said if I want to create any chart, so I need two main fields. Okay, first is x-axis and second is y-axis. So one is dimension and another is measure. So, but in the scatter plot, the two main things which is measures. Okay, and dimension is a secondary part. So basically, scatter plot is used for to display a relation between two variables. Okay, like salary and car price. So if I want to uh, select salary as a x-axis and now y-axis is car price. So one field is dependent and one field is independent. Okay, so here salary is independent field, but car price is dependent field. Okay, okay, understood. So basically, so one is the dependent fields and another is the independent. So basically, we use scatter plot for diagnosing relationship between two fields. So this is the main major part. But in the BI, we include some more things over here. So we create animated charts through scatter plot. This is the main by default charts. Okay. So here the by default animated charts is scatter plot chart. So let's see how to implement it first. So I just select scatter plot over here. So you can see this is scatter plot actually look like. So Now this is the value. So I just first expand the table. So I just drag subcategory into the values and select cells into the x-axis and profit into the y-axis. So your charts look like this one. Okay, so this is the actually scatter plot look like. So anyone tell me how to this plot explain you? Just I change x-axis and y-axis. Just a minute. I just expand the values. Okay. So tell me, first do it in your canvas, then explain me. Okay. So anyone tell me how to read this chart and what is the conclusion? If anyone show me re- scatter plot chart, so how do I analyze? How do I read? So suppose him you are the manager and your junior create this scatter plot chart and now you want to read it. So how to you read or how to make the conclusion? Anyone?
How profit is diverging according to the cells.
How profit is
Diverging
according to the
cells.
sales. Hmm. Any others? So now if I drag my cursor into the plot, so where this is the copier. So we already know if I go to the table and see, so just I go to the table and see. So according to the cells, copier is my highest one. Okay, not into the profit, but according to the sales. So similar, if I go to the this plot, so this plot explain me. So copier is the most sellable product, but profit is not as such. Okay, so if I drag my pointer into the this one, and this is his phone. So now what happened here? So here subcategory phone is, I think, top most sellable product. Okay, so that's why my point is here. If I see my phone profit is 216, and if I show 258, so profit is bigger than this one. Okay, so that's why it is scattered over here. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. So x-axis represents cell. If anyone cell is bigger than to others, so now you can see your plot will be here. Okay, so if cell is bigger than profit, so this is here. Okay, if profit is highest, so you can see your y-axis, this one is top most profitable. Okay, so that's why it is here. So if I select this one, so you can see, so you just draw this type of uh, thing. So it is basically happened with Tableau, but this field is not available here. So if I draw virtually, so this is your x-axis. So if you draw this part of line and this part of thing, so the sale and profit interaction part is over here. This is here, this is here, this is here. If you draw into the sheet, so this kind of things over here. So how sale, sorry, so how profit is parked into the sales. So this is mainly happened with here. Okay, actually interaction part. So this is your profit and sale interact here. So this is mainly draw the scatter plot. If I want to something over here, so what should I do? I just explain one more thing. which is if I drag quantity over here and into the size, so now my plot would be this one. So this circle always show according to your quantity size. Okay. So this particular thing, I think um, binder gives us more quantity wise sum. Okay. And now if I want to animated this particular things, I just drag order date into the play axis. Okay, so now you can see the new thing will be appear, which is play axis. If you click this button, now your chart react this kind of things. Okay, so this is called automatic animated scatter plot chart. So we see this type of things into the social medias. Okay, and explain the various kind of things. So this is called animated charts, and this plot change according to the date, month, quarter wise. Okay, understood. So just do it in your canvas. Okay, so anyone any question regarding scatter plot chart? I think you are understood how to create the scatter plot chart. Okay, or animated scatter plot chart. Okay, uh, so we wind up our session over here. So before leave our session, just hold. I will tell your name. Just hold. Okay. Sanjeevan Jana present.
Yes, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
one.
Sir, সঞ্জীবন জানা।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পেরেছি। আহ, সায়ন্তী সরকার,
Present, sir.
সৌমিক ঘোষ, সৌমিক ঘোষ, সুলগ্না সাহা,
Yes, sir.
সৌরিয়শ্মী ঘোষ, অর্ঘ্যজিৎ দাস, দানিয়ানিজম, চন্দ্রদীপা ঘোষ,
Present, sir.
রিনিতা কোলে, প্রীতি দাস,
Present, sir.
অপরাজিতা সাহা, রাহুল দাস, পুষ্পিতা বিশ্বাস,
Yes, sir.
সৌর্যেন্দু মুখার্জি, রনক দত্ত, তিতলি দে, সৌরজ্যোতি হালদার, সনি সাউ, আদিত্য কুন্ডু, ঐশ্বরিয়া ঘোষ, অঙ্কিত কুমার,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
অর্ণবী দাস, বিশ্বজিৎ দাস, চন্দ্রলেখা দাস, ইশিকা সাহা, কৌশিকী ভট্টাচার্য, নেহা রয়, প্রেরণা দাস,
Yes, sir.
রাজারাম ঘড়াই, রিশা ফাতেমা, ঋত্বিক, সঞ্জীব মোহান্তি।
Present, sir.
ওকে, আচ্ছা কেউ আছো? আহ,
Sir, Ishika
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
Saha.
সৌমিক।
সৌমিক, আচ্ছা।
Yes, sir.
Sir, Ishika.
হুম,
স্যার সূর্যাস্মি স্যার।